Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best cash app fraud protection. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want to keep your cash app account safe, start by enabling the security lock so every payment needs a PIN or fingerprint. Turn on real-time notification to track all transactions instantly and use a strong unique password that you don't reuse anywhere else. Always double check cash tag, phone number or email before sending money, and never share your PIN or login codes with anyone. Cash app will never ask for them, so be careful. And also you can also lock your cash card immediately if you suspect fraud or report suspicious activities through the in-app support chat. Staying cautious, using built-in security features and monitoring your account closely gives you the strongest protection against scam. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more quick cash app safety tips, and comment if you want a full anti-fraud guide. And that's it.